Yeah, we can give you the answer to number 4.
Thank you.
All right, just to be sure, as soon as I can find the lesson for us, surface area. Here we go. All right, so again, let's take a look at number 4. All right, so again, we said the formula you should have on your paper, surface area 2 times the area of the base plus the perimeter times the height. That is for a prism. That is for a prism. All right, yes, sir. What did you get?
I got. Right now it's not.
No, seriously, listen, it's okay to be wrong. That's something I'm trying to tell you guys. If you're wrong, it's okay. All right? I want you to, you gave your a shot. All right? I'll let you know if it's wrong.
298.
Somebody said 298.
I got that.
And of course, it would be inches squared. Anybody else get that?
Yeah, I got that.
All right. So we're going to figure out your mistake. If it in fact is a mistake. All right? So here we go. Remember, everybody's going to write down surface area equals 2. Now, capital B stands for the area of the base. So in this case, I'm just going to draw it in here. This right here looks like the area of the base. Is everybody with me on that? And what are the dimensions of that base? What are they?
7 and 11.
I don't think so.
4 and 11.
4 and 11. All right, it's 4 and 11. Could you have used 7 and 11? Yes, but the base means that it's the wall, the left side, all right, or the right side. I prefer we're just looking at it as its base, which means it is 11 times 4. All right, so I'm going to do 11 times 4 plus, now, the perimeter of the base. What's the perimeter of the base?
30.
Is that right? Anybody else get 30?
I got 36. I got 36. I got 30.
30. Okay, now I'm going to show you something different here. 30. Now, what's the height?
7.
7.
Wait, find the perimeter by adding the
Sides, right? 11 plus 4 plus 11 plus 4. All right? So now, using your calculator, we're doing 2 times 11 times 4 plus 30 times 7. That, I believe, is 298. Now, if you did it the other way, I'm going to show you it's the same answer. What? Shh, stop! What, Harrison?
Never mind. I put in the wrong note.
Okay, come on now. You can find that out on your own. All right, now, what I want to do now is I'm going to make it so this is the base. All right, I'm going to make it so that's the base, just to show you it's the same. All right, so here we go. Surface area equals 2 times the area of the base. Well, what are the dimensions of the base this time? 7 and 4 this time. All right, so it'd be 7 times 4 plus, what's the perimeter of that base now?
22.
22. Now, what's the height? 11. Now, everybody do on their calculator, 2 times 7 times 4 plus 22 times 11. Magical. What is it? 298. Now you understand it doesn't matter how you do it, all right? You're going to get the same answer. What?
Does it matter what the base is?
That's what we're just talking about.
I know.
We just said, what did we just conclude?
That you can do.
Yeah, it doesn't matter. We did it 2 different ways. Here is one formula with the base being 11 and 4. Here is the other formula with the base being 7 and 4. It's the same answer. Same answer. All right? You good on that?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Now, volume you were supposed to tell me. Volume is area of the base times the height. So again, what is the area of the base? 44 times the height. 7, which is? 308
inches.
inches cubed. 308 inches cubed. What?
Why is the circle square in the
You measure area with what? Squares. You measure volume with what? Tell me. Cube. That's why. All right. So here we go. So that's number 4. All right. If you got it right, you can pat yourself on the back. That's a pretty good job. All right. Now everybody's with me on number 5. All right. Now, just in the interest of time, guys, what do I want the base to be? What dimensions of the base?
the 17 times 7 now.
17 times 7. That's the way I'm looking at it. So everybody with me? What?
Wait, where's never mind.
Right? You see it?
Yes, I do.
Come on now. Is everybody good on that? Does everybody see what I'm saying? I want the base to be this shaded region, which is the same as the what? Bottom. Right? And that dimension is 17 by 7. So here we go. Everybody's going to write this surface area formula. Surface area equals, what's the surface area formula? 2b plus ph. You're trying to write it without looking. That's what you're trying to do. All right? Now let's calculate the area of the base. Surface area equals 2. What's the area of the base?
119.
119. What's the perimeter of the base?
48.
48. And what is the height?
15.
15. Now again, Elise, you ready? You with me? Come on, kiddo. Where's your calculator?
I don't.
Come on, get up and go over there to my desk. Underneath that first thing, look down the bin. There's a calculator down there. Bring your calculator. All right, anybody else have a calculator? No, no, over to the left. To the left. You got it?
Yeah.
All right. All right. Boys in the back. I don't want the same people doing the same problem. All right, help me out. Everybody's speaking up. What? Are you okay with that?
Yeah.
All right. So now someone's going to tell me the surface area is equal to what? I'm listening.
I got 958 feet square.
958 square feet. How is that?
Yeah.
All right. Now we do volume. Volume equal what?
I got 766.
So try to get on your calculator. That's why you're supposed to have 2 times 119 plus 48 times 15.
I did a different base.
That's why I said, let's do it together. The base, I wanted it to be 17 times 7. You with me? All right. What?
I'm still kind of confused how you get the perimeter.
Add up the sides. So watch me real quick. One more time. From here to here is how much?
17.
Plus, from here to here is how much?
7.
Plus, from here to here is how much?
17.
Plus, how much from here to here?
7.
That's the perimeter. Or, if we want to be really smart, we can just say 17 plus 7, and then what?
17.
Times 2. Because there's 2 17s and 2 7s. Do you agree with that? Hey, good, because I want you back making A's, right? That's why you're asking me questions. All right, anybody else who got a B on the test? You should be asking me questions, making sure. All right? Is that okay with surface area? All right, so now volume, area of the base times the height. So this time, volume, what's the area of the base again?
19.
What's the height?
15.
And my volume would be
1,785 feet.
all right, some of you should be pushing the buttons on your calculator. Should be waiting for everybody else to tell you the answer. Jackson, you with me? Okay, just checking. All right, so now do we have a new shape? Of course, everybody knows what that shape is called. That's called a what? That is called a cylinder. All right, so again, what is the formula for surface area of a cylinder? 2b plus pH. You guys are brilliant. What is the base shape? A what? A circle. So, for now, I'm going to go down and put surface area equals 2. Thank you. Pi r squared. Now we have something difficult. Jackson, can you tell me what the perimeter is called on this? Yes, exactly, guys. Listen to what he said. The perimeter of a circle is called the circumference because the circumference has no side length. It is a circle. So, when it says perimeter, when you have a cylinder, you substitute perimeter is the what? Circumference. And what was the circumference formula, Jackson?
C equals pi d.
Pi d, right? So we could say 2 pi r squared plus pi times the diameter times the height. You with me on that? That's not that hard, right? Now, in most textbooks, here is what the formula is going to be. I'm going to change one little thing. Look right here. Watch me. Two pi r. Is there a difference between pi d and 2 pi r? No, it's the same thing. Is everybody with me? All right? So I don't care how you write it. I do not care how you write it. All right? So with that little bit of information, all right, I want you to tell me what the radius is.
8, 9,
Hold on. 2 pi times, what's the radius?
9.
9 squared plus pi times, what's the diameter?
18.
18. What's the height?
13.
13. Beautiful. Right, now type that straight in. And I'm going to say the surface area is approximately
1,244 feet squared. Or 0.1
0.1. And then what units?
squared.
Feet, yards, inches?
Yards squared.
Yards squared. Anybody else
Yeah, I know.
get that? Remember, you're just confirming now. Is everybody confirming that? Everybody did it on the calculator? You with me? All right. So now, somebody tell me what the volume is. Say it.
B times H.
Area of the base times the height. Volume. What's the base?
Circle.
So,
Pi r squared.
pi r squared h. So again, v equals pi. What's the radius again?
9.
What's the height again?
13.
All right, so guys, come on. Pi times 9 squared times 13. Go.
3,308.1.
3,308.1.
Yes. I know.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
What kind of units are we dealing with?
Yards cubed.
Yards cubed. Guys, I don't think that's that hard, right? Everybody good? All right, let's have some more fun. Next page. Okay, here we go. Same thing. Cylinder. Oh, cylinder, hurry up. Surface area. Again, we're going to start out with same formula.
2b plus pH.
2b plus pH. Surface area equals 2. How do I find the area of the base? Pi r squared. What's the perimeter? Pi d. You guys are awesome. All right. So here we go. Fill it in. Then use your calculator. Mr. Varner, how are you doing back there? I'm waiting for your answer. 125 point what? Anybody else get that?
Yes.
And then what units? Is everybody happy? Easy, right? Volume equals area of the base times the height. Volume equals, tell me, pi r squared times h. I'm listening, Chloe. Hundred point what? What kind of units? All right, I'm super happy.
Mr. Shrill,
What?
I think some of the questions on the next page are the same as these. Oh yeah.
So that's good for us. All right. So I just made a mistake when I was making this up. All right. So let's do 8 and 9. All right. Everybody do 8 and 9 real quick. I'm going to leave you on your own. Surface area and volume. Surface area and volume for 8 and 9.